Namaste, hello friends. Today I am showing you how to make a crystal grid. First, you will have to write down your intention very clearly on a piece of paper. Fold the piece of paper. So I have used moss agate as it represents new beginning. Moss agate attracts abundance. I have placed a moss agate stone on top of this paper. Around it, I have used again moss agates. I am placing 6 moss agates around in a circle formation. In total, I have 7 stones, each stone representing a chakra in our body. So after I have made my intentions very clear, I will energize this grid with my hand, and then I will leave this grid without moving it for 40 days. And I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.